maso. Me try interview. So if you keep asking,
Wendy, should I bring the proof that I have?
Me say Yanko next question, but you keep on asking me the same questions. I don't know. Then I'll pay for it. Then I'll pay for interview.
Should I bring the proof that I have?
Okay, I'm very sorry, but me interview. No, it's here for me pamacho. But this is so unprofessional. No, like this is really unprofessional.
You haven't answered my question.
Artist Tamabafu Frodi Mumbuade and Amo yes but the next question. In as much as our mama platform, na media promoting me, Samson na miss me bro good content, and that is good music. Intimate pacho, me pacho pan.
Wendy, me busa wa se me ba uye yi ano, en na menti ase no me say. Prove na me wono me nyimra. Na when you say me moi, I mean you haven't answered the question I'm busa no.
No.
You only said
me pacho baby. It's okay. I think so. I think that's the same then I have to leave.
Wendy, you wait, me ba.
No, like it means na hama umbisa me unprofessional questions. Say Enfa bibi am brand because what do you mean say who approve all the babache say me ni bullet e wo ho no. Bibi po mini bullet I don't want bema.
So why are you denying?
I'm not denying, but make us simple. I don't bullet on your bema. And thank you very much for this interview. I think if this is the question now, would maybe two spot there, then we have to cut it. No. Like any was I'm really sorry. It's here for Monfan Cheme. Shay Gangsters, like really sorry. I don't know what he's trying to get from this interview, but I'm sorry, I'm out. So who the bay will be a nyami Wendy Shay, me pacho. I've suffered enough. Thank you.
No. I want to give
It's okay.